I bought Philips Sonicare Diamond Clean last year. After using it for a year, something inside is loosened and sounds like this. Fortunately, this unit is still covered by warranty, so I contacted Philips about it and they sent me a replacement one. This unit is from Amazon.com and I was unable to send back the malfunction unit. So, I decided to open and fix it. I'm gonna show you the steps on how to disassemble the unit and fix it. The first step is to wrap the unit in a tower. Like this. The unit should be placed on the door hinge, then the door should be slowly closed. But not completely. Do it for like 5 times or more until the plastic cover comes up. It is finally opened without any damage. Yay! This is what you will see then. There are 2 little clips on the side. It is really simple to get those out. Is take a small screwdriver, put it right on the side of the tab, and push down on this. Do it on both sides and it will pop out. Here is where the main problem lies. Just use normal screwdriver to tighten that screw. It will fix the problem. Yay!